So in this problem, we are given that ticket numbers usually consist of an even number of digits. A ticket number is considered lucky if the sum of the first half of the digits is equal to the sum of the second half. So given a ticket number n, determine if it's lucky or not. So since the number is an integer, the first thing is to convert it into a list. So we can have a variable called numbers and then call the built-in list and then transform our original number into a string so that list can act on it. So now we shall be having a list of numbers that is from the original number. The next thing is to find the median of our list, like the half point of our list. So to do that, we can just say median equals to our numbers, which is a list, actually the length of our numbers, and then divide that by 2, because we want to have an integer division as opposed to a floating point division. Now at this point we know where the half of our numbers sit, so from there we can actually do first half calculation. First half will be the sum of our numbers up to the first half, or up to actually the half point, and then second half will be the sum of our numbers from the half point. But again, since we turned this into a string in line 2, we need to transform that back into a list of integers. So we can reassign and say numbers equals to int num for num in numbers. So now we have like a perfect list of integers within which the sum built in can actually work on, so that we don't get operation error when you try to do a sum of integers and strings. Finally, we can just compare first half if it equals the second half, and that should be our solution. So we are going to run this to see if that worked. Yes, and all tests are passing. So this is the solution to this kind of problem. Bye.